If you're tired of blah t-shirts that everyone else has, listen up. I used to think creating custom shirts was way too complicated for me. I wanted something unique that reflects who I am. But I stumbled upon this amazing tool called Shirt Customizer, and it changed everything. Designing shirts has never been easier and more fun. The step-by-step guide makes it so simple, even if you're a complete beginner. Seriously, I was amazed at how quickly I grasped the process. You start by exploring incredible design inspirations that spark your creativity. There's honestly no limit to what you can create. Plus, Shirt Customizer shares practical tips on materials and printing techniques. I felt so empowered knowing which fabrics would work best for my designs. And let me tell you, the quality of the shirts is top-notch. I've washed mine multiple times, and the design hasn't faded at all. What I love most is that these shirts are a true reflection of my style. I made custom gifts for my friends, and they were blown away. It feels great to create something personal that others really appreciate. If you've ever dreamed of elevating your wardrobe or starting a small, custom apparel business, this is your chance. I can't recommend Shirt Customizer enough, so why not unleash your fashion creativity today? Hit the link in my bio to get started, and let's see what amazing designs you come up with.